Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Honex Quiet Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece, which has a universal size. So as you can see right here, it is basically a mouthpiece that you put in your mouth and then will help you with your snoring. So if you snore a lot, they claim that this product will help you. So if you're wondering if this product is actually legit, let's head over here to Trustpilot and see the reviews. So they're rated poor with 218 reviews and rated 2.3 out of 5 stars with a lot of 1-star reviews, which actually raises a lot of red flags. So this person said that it is too good to be true. The real problem is social media. Look up the names of the so-called researchers of the scientific studies and none of them exist online. Doesn't work. Scam company. This product is a scam. Give me blisters in my mouth. I've been trying to return an unused open for a month. First address didn't include the country. Crap. Scam. Ridiculous within 2 minutes of ordering. I told him to cancel. I'm glad for coming here to read first. I was taken advantage by this company. Scam. Honex Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece. Scam. This product is a scam. Basically, a lot of people are saying that it is a scam. So even though there are also 5-star reviews, maybe they're just paid 5-star reviews. And if it is that great of a product, why does it have so many 1-star reviews? So yeah, that basically raises a lot of red flags. So please do not buy this product. It is very risky, and just like the other people say here that they're a scam. And some people, one person even said that they have blisters in their mouth. So please do not buy this product. Don't risk your mouth. Don't risk your health. If you're snoring, please consult a doctor and do not buy this product. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.